small children, make sure that you make your way out as
Hello, Sean.
as possible so nobody gets hurt and everybody has
I want
a
your
safe exit
tears.
before the car.
Yes.
Look out, look out. Very, I am filming this. I will put it on YouTube. Yes.
YouTube this? Yes.
Oh, I cannot see a McKinney. There's Matt's belly.
There's Matt's head.
Oh, there is Mexican Elvis. There we go, yes. Yes. I said, don't step on my blue suede shoes, yes? What happened? Where?
I don't know.
This is both, yes?
Big picture. Big picture. Yeah, take picture, yes? This is craziness, sir. This is craziness. It's absolutely
Make him work for it. Make him work for it, boss.
I go through the barrel tomorrow. If there's any duplicate entries, you will be eliminated. And that vehicle will be given away next week. We've already had it happen
You'll be
once,
fired.
so please, now have everybody listening. Please make sure that there's no duplicate entries in the future because you will be eliminated. And I hate to do that to you, but it's a state-regulated competition, and that's just the way it is. I want to see everybody have an equal opportunity to win.
Look.
The winner of this week's free car from Nissan of Mc Kinney, a new vehicle, goes to Darlene Quinville of Plano, Texas. Darlene.
Hey! Way to go, Darlene! Very nice.
That's craziness, man. Straight by.
You better be at that driver's license and make the match.
Holy good.
And Darlene is absolutely the winner as long as she doesn't have a duplicate entry. Otherwise, we'll see this.
Good job, Darlene.
Free car Friday.
Hello, Tracy.